Do you want to earn money while you sleep? No, it's not a scam. It's called affiliate marketing, and when combined with the power of SEO blogs, it's a wealth-building machine. But here's the secret. Most people do it completely wrong. They chase trends, write generic content, and get buried by Google. Today I'll show you the smarter way, how to turn a blog into a 24/7 cash flow system. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start and scale your SEO affiliate blog, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around, because the third strategy I'll share could double your passive income without writing a single word. Act 2. The breakdown, steps to success. Section 1. Choosing the right niche, 110 to 220. First things first, niche selection. Pick the wrong one and you'll burn out fast. Pick the right one and it feels like printing money. You're not looking for trends, you're looking for long-term value. Think personal finance, health, tech gadgets, software, remote work, things people search for every day. Pro tip: use tools like Google Trends or Ahrefs to find evergreen traffic. And remember, you're not just picking a niche, you're picking your future audience. Make it count. Let's talk money. Affiliate programs are the heart of this model. Amazon Associates is fine for beginners, but commissions are low. Instead, target high-ticket tools like Bluehost, ClickFunnels, or ConvertKit. Focus on programs that pay recurring commissions. That's how you build monthly income that stacks. SEO is where most people fail, but when you get it right, traffic becomes free and automated. Use Ubersuggest or SEMrush for keyword research. Build pillar content around high-intent keywords and get backlinks from guest posts. It's a long game, but the payoff is massive. Here's where it gets exciting. Don't just rely on affiliate links. Add display ads, digital products, or consulting offers. Turn your blog into a real digital asset. Collect emails and boom, you've unlocked email marketing, the king of conversions. Most bloggers stop at links. You'll build an empire. Affiliate marketing through SEO isn't just another hustle. It's a quiet, strategic path to freedom. No clients, no inventory, no 9 to 5, just you, your words, and the internet working for you. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best is now. And if you truly want long-term wealth, click the video on your screen to discover how compounding can transform your financial future forever.